So to create this screw rod, so this is the dimension what you have. We have a diameter 14 of 16 mm. So you have a square of 16 into 2 thread, and you have 14 and you have 24, and this is the nature of the cross section. So what we will do, since it is a round part, we will going to create 1/2, and then we will going to revolve protrude for the 1/2. So to do that, so first we will go for ordered disable the base and enable the base reference planes, and go to home, click on sketch. So click on the coincident plane as the front plane. Now we will going to consider this as the collar. The collar is the reference, so we will going to create this as the reference now. So go to project to sketch, so click on this and click on this now. So once you have this, so if this is the reference, from here you take 162, so go to offset, take the distance as 162. Now you just click on this, and then you come down, you come down to this. Then from 162 you take this dimension as 253. So to do that, so go to offset, again you take 253, and say from here you take to this dimension and go to trim corner between these two and between these two now. So now the next part will be, the next portion will be 14 of 16. So go to offset, 14 means it is 7, and it will be 16 mm. So from here you take this, so go to trim corner between these two, and now once you come to this, then we have this dimension is 16. So go to offset, take the dimension as 8. So from here you take the dimension as 8 and go to trim corner between this and this. So now you just come down to zoom window, then go to trim corner between this and this now. So come down to fit. So now you take this portion. So here there is a diameter of 14, and then to a depth of about 6. So here you just go to offset, take the distance as 6. So from here you take 6, and then from here you take 7. So from here you take this, go to zoom window. So you just come down to the trim corner between these two now. So similarly trim corner between, or you trim it between this and this, then go to select and then delete this. Once you do that, now we go for this portion which is 14 mm diameter again. Here it is 24. You just go to offset, take the distance as 12. You take the distance as 12, and then from here you have 6 mm. So go to offset, take it 6. So from here you take it on this side and go to trim corner between these two and between these two now. So go to trim between these two, then go to trim corner between this and this now. So now we will go for this portion which is diameter 16 again. So from here we are going to start now. So we have M10 here to a length of 11. So go to fit 10, offset, you take 5. So from here you take 5 and to a distance of 11 mm. So go to offset, take the distance as 11. So from here to here you go to trim corner between this and this, between this and this now. So once you do that, so then again you have a key of diameter 13. So go to offset, take the distance as 6.5. So from here you take 6.5, then zoom window you take from here, go to trim corner between this, trim corner between this line and this line, and between this line and this line. So now come down to this. So from here you take 24, go to offset, take the distance as 24 mm. So you take this, then this point, so 24, again you have 16, so go to, you just delete this line which is not required. So then go to offset, take the distance as 16, so that is 8. So from here you take 8. So you go to trim corner between these two and between these two. So this will going to end. So this will going to come till to the end of this. So go to this and say trim between these two. Then go to delete this line. Then go to trim corner between these two. So now we have created the entire profile. So then just go to close sketch. So here click on home, click on revolve protrusion, select on this, accept, you select this line and revolve it through 360 degrees and say finish. So now once you do that, now we will going to have the thread portion which is to be done here. So we have the thread portion here also. So go to home, click on thread, click on OK, click on this end of the cylinder, from the threads will be offset, you just click on this. So you take M6, M10 and say finish. Now similarly, you just go to home, click on thread, click on OK, click on the cylinder for thread, click on the end of the cylinder which will going to have square of TR 16 into 2, TR 16 into 2 and say finish. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing, and then there is a hole inside on this. So go to home, so click on zoom window, then you just come to home, click on sketch, so click on this. So here you just there is a hole of diameter radius 1.5, that you can see here. There is a hole of diameter 3. So you go to sketch. So since you have taken circle, I will take intersection of this. So the diameter is 3, and then go to close sketch. So now I have created the sketch here, and then go to home, click on cut, click on this sketch, accept, OK. So you just come down to from to extend, you just right click, and then till here you need to create a hole, and then go to finish, and then go to fit. So now this is how you will be able to create this screw rod, and then go to application button, go to information, go to material table, click on FE 4W, apply to model, and then go to application button, information, go to file properties, go to summary, type screw rod and say save, and then come down to file, click on screw rod and say save it, and finally you just exit.